Hello,
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Doing good, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Jaffer.
Jaffer?
I'm Jaffer, yeah,
Okay, where are you from?
from Morocco. What
From
about you?
Morocco.
Say it.
My name is Enya.
India.
Yes, and I
Hmm.
live in Chicago.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
That's the first time hearing this name,
Oh,
India.
really? Enya, really?
It's rare.
I have never heard Jaffer either.
Yeah,
Is
my name is rare as well. It's not common.
okay, so I was going to ask that if in Morocco there's more Jaffers or if you are one of the only ones with that name.
Yeah, maybe my name is more common in Middle East countries,
Okay.
but as a second name, as a family name, that's as a
Oh,
first name.
okay, so as a last name. That's funny.
Yeah,
You have a last
yeah,
name for your first name.
yeah. But
Okay.
when you hear the name Jafar, you always think of the person as a tough person.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Jaffer, like it's a bad guy's name.
No, not the bad guy. Maybe in movies, yes, but
Like a tough,
for
tough guy.
yeah.
That's funny. Are
Yeah.
you? Are you a tough guy?
Sometimes depends.
Sometimes.
It
Okay, so
depends.
so
Yeah.
you can keep the name then.
Yeah. I love it. I love my name. I
Yeah,
like
it's
it.
a cool one. It's a cool one.
Yeah, because it's not common. Not everyone.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. It's good to have a unique name.
Yeah. As
So what?
yours.
Yeah, that's true. I like mine too because of that.
Yeah, that's nice.
The other day though, I met a dog, a
A
dog,
dog?
a dog with my name. I was like,
Really?
why do you have my name? Yes, an
That's
animal. I
weird.
was
Oh
like,
my
that's
god.
so not cool.
Yeah, you should.
But
Yeah, you should sue the person, the
I
owner of the
am.
dog.
I should,
You
you're
know?
right. That's
Or,
true.
yeah, or maybe just change it. But you're happy with it, so
Yeah,
maybe
no,
yeah,
the dog can change its name.
yeah. It's okay
No,
for a dog, not for you.
yeah. I was like, wow, that's so random. Never have I met a person with my name, but I meet a dog with my name.
Yeah, that's
So,
okay. I never met a dog with my name, so
yeah, I hope you
maybe in
don't.
future. Yeah,
Watch that happens to you. That would be funny.
yeah.
So,
So are you living in Chicago?
yes, I
Or
am.
okay.
Yeah. So, well, kind of. I live in the Dominican Republic. Do you know the Dominican Republic?
Yeah.
Okay. But since the pandemic started and everything, I came back with my parents for a while.
Okay. So you
Yeah,
are not living alone in. Oh, you came back to your with your family now. You're living with your family.
exactly.
Okay, I
Yeah.
understand.
But just for a temporary, when the pandemic is over.
So how
So
long
yeah.
it's been
It's
with
been two
like
months.
2 months?
2 months so far with my family. But it's fun because I my
Yeah. I cannot hear the voice. Oh my god.
can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I pressed the button. So yeah, I said but it's okay because my family is cool.
Yeah.
So do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family. My family
Okay.
is cool as well. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have a lot of siblings?
I have one little sister and two older brothers.
Okay.
And the oldest is 21. The
Okay.
other is 26. My little sister maybe 16, maybe 17, I'm not sure.
Okay.
But
And
she was
you are
born in 2003.
2003, so maybe 16,
Uh,
16, 17.
I don't know.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it's the end of the day, so my brain is tired. I cannot do the math
Man,
with the
what time is it
calculator.
over there?
It's almost 1 a.m.
1 a.m. Wow, you sleep late? Is that normal for you?
No, I came back from work at 11.
Oh, wow.
At 11:30.
So
I
you came
finish
back
work at
late.
11. Yeah, because of
Wow.
I have to take transport, so it takes me about 30 minutes to reach home.
Okay, wow. So that's
Yeah,
a long day. What time do you start?
I start at 2:30 p.m.
Wow, 2:30 to 11:30.
Yeah, so it's 8 hours.
That's
It's
yeah.
normal.
But
But
the
I
time
work
that you
two
finish.
shifts, you know. Next
Okay.
week I'll work the morning shift.
Oh, so it switches for you.
Yeah, from 6 a.m. to yeah 2:30.
Ooh. And which one do you like better?
I like morning shift.
The morning shift better?
Yeah, because I still have time in the
That's
evening
true.
to do
When you
stuff,
come
you
home.
know?
Of
Yeah.
course.
I
Not
can
like
take a
now.
nap. Yeah. Right now I have the mornings. I just I can go to the gym, then come back home, then go to work, so not much to do.
Okay. Yeah, and the day goes by quicker when it's
Yeah.
like that. That's true. So do you feel like you wake up early even when you work the late shifts? Are you a morning
Mm,
person?
I wake I don't know. At not I don't wake up too late.
Mhm.
So 9 a.m. If
Okay.
I
That's
if
good.
I want yeah, if I want to go to gym, I'll probably wake up at 8:30, you know,
Okay.
so I can go and take my time.
Yeah,
Not
and then you still
yeah.
have time to sleep. You sleep well. You go to
Yeah,
the
just
gym.
yeah, just to
Okay.
rest before going to work.
So is that your like your favorite hobby, going to the gym?
No, not my favorite. I like I like to sit down and watch movies.
Okay, that one's your favorite one.
Yeah, not my favorite, but I'm trying to move, you know, to
Good.
yeah,
Of course. Yeah, it's a necessary hobby then.
yeah.
Yeah. And what if
Maybe I'll take it.
yeah, oh, you're like, yeah, I will. And
Yeah.
how many days a week do you work? What's your schedule like?
So in the morning shift, I work 6 days. I work also the Saturday morning,
Okay. And when it's a late
and the
shift?
evening shift, I have yeah, I work. I have the whole weekend for myself.
Okay.
So Saturday and Sunday.
All right. And what do you tend to do on the weekends? What do you like to do on the weekends?
Just I don't know. I like to watch football, but now there's no football.
Oh man, when does it
So
start, really?
I go out with my friends.
Okay.
Some champions, some leagues already started,
Mm-hmm.
but not, the ones that I like, not yet.
Okay. Which leagues do you like to
I like the
watch?
Spanish league.
Oh, the Spanish leagues. Those are good.
Yeah,
European
because
soccer
Spain
is
is
the
close
best,
to
right?
us.
European soccer is one of the
Yeah,
best.
or yeah, European football is the best.
Yeah,
It's
that's
the
true.
best, not one of the best.
It is the best. Which country though? Like
Yeah,
Spain
yeah.
out of all Europe is the best one?
Uh, you mean
It's soccer wise.
soccer team?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
I think I don't know. Recently, France was the best,
Okay.
but I like Spain because of their style of playing.
Okay.
But I think now the French team is the most powerful one. Yeah.
Okay, they're stepping it up.
Do you like soccer?
Well, I do like it. Since I was little, my family watched soccer.
Really?
But if I watch a sport by myself, it's
Mm-hmm.
basketball. Basketball or baseball. Or
Oh,
yeah.
basketball.
But if my dad is there, then I will watch soccer. But he watches the Mexican leagues because my family's from Mexico.
Mexican League.
Uh-huh.
Ah,
Yeah.
really? So nice.
Yeah. So they're not as good as the European teams because every time the World Cup comes,
But
Mexico gets destroyed
yeah,
by the European teams.
but not completely destroyed, but they make it to the next round.
That's true. So we're
They have a
always
good
like
team.
excited, but
I like to
then
watch them. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What
I
did you say?
said, their games are always they play their games always in a good way.
That's
They're
true.
they're fighting their games.
Yeah, not good enough though. We always want them to win, and then some other
Yeah,
team.
because yeah,
Yeah,
I don't
but
know,
okay.
maybe the quality of players it's not at that level to compete to the finals, you know.
Yeah, I think the last World Cup, Germany. I think Germany destroyed Mexico. So Germany's really
Yeah,
good. Germany's awesome. That's all that I know about soccer so far. The World Cups.
yeah,
Are they still
yeah,
playing
Germany,
okay?
oh my God. Also
Do
in
they still play?
the last World Cup, Morocco did a really good job. We played against Spain and
Okay.
Portugal,
Hmm.
and we did well. We were about to go to the next round, but
Okay.
you know, the referee wasn't fair enough. You know,
Oh,
even
yeah.
though with the VAR and bullshit, we didn't make it.
Hmm. Yeah, I hate the when the referees choose sides. I cannot stand that. It's very unfair.
Yeah,
So I was going to ask about that. Does Morocco go to the World Cup every year?
Not every year. We made
Hmm.
it the last World Cup, and I
Okay.
don't know. Maybe after 20 years, we'll make it again. When when I'm too old,
Okay.
when I have,
So it's
yeah,
not
when I
very
have like small children,
common
I'll tell
when you
I'll
have
tell my
grandchildren.
kids about our story in the World Cup.
Okay, that's funny. So it's not very
Yeah.
common then that they make every World Cup.
No, it's not very common. We are not lucky.
Okay.
We have good
Hopefully.
players in the European leagues, in
Okay.
Spanish league, the Premier League, and others. But when they get together, they are, they're
Okay.
not playing well.
Okay, they don't have good chemistry.
Yeah,
Okay. Darn it. Well, hopefully this next time Morocco does good. I want them to go to the World Cup.
yeah, I want them to. But
Yeah.
it's better to not go or just go and not play well, and burn our blood. Because
Embarrass you.
yeah, when it comes to football, I don't know. When my team doesn't play really well, I feel bad.
Mhm.
I get angry.
Man. So then you're
Yeah,
better off. If you're not gonna play right, just go home.
yeah. Just stay at your home. Yeah,
You're funny. That's hilarious.
yeah,
So, okay, we have about the time is running out. But yeah,
yeah.
good job.
Forty
Good job.
seconds.
Yeah, good job with your English.
Yeah,
I
thank
feel
you so
like
much, and maybe
like
we'll talk
you
more.
Yeah, okay. For sure. I feel like you understand me. Most of what I
Yeah,
say. You understand very
yeah,
well.
yeah,
And having a conversation is not difficult. You
yeah,
express yourself well as well too. So keep it up. Whatever you're
yeah,
doing is working. And
yeah,
so yeah, we'll talk soon then.
yeah. Okay, thank you so much,
Okay.
and have a good day.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
the rest of your
You have
day.
a good night.
Yeah, bye
Sleep
bye.
well. Bye.
Thank you.